Hey everyone, and welcome back to Finsible. We've all seen how powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can be. But here's the secret. They're only as powerful as the questions you ask them. So many people type in a vague one-sentence request, get a generic useless answer, and then blame the AI. Sound familiar? Well, today we're fixing that. I'm going to show you exactly how to tweak your prompts step by step so you can get sharper, smarter, and way more useful answers every single time. Let's start with the most important rule of AI: garbage in, garbage out. If you give it a messy, unclear prompt, you're going to get a messy, unclear response. But if you provide a clear, detailed input, you'll get a high-quality output. It's that simple. The real magic happens when you add specificity. Don't just ask the AI to do something, give it a job, provide some background, and tell it exactly what you need. For example, instead of just typing, "write about investing," which is super vague, try this: act as a financial analyst. Explain the top 3 beginner-friendly ETFs for 2025, using simple language a complete novice can understand. See the difference? We gave it a role, a clear task, and context. Let's look at this side by side. On the left, the vague prompt gives us a generic encyclopedia entry. But on the right, our specific prompt gives us a focused, actionable, and easy-to-read list. The quality jump is huge. To make this even easier, you can use simple frameworks. My favorite is role, task, context, and format. Let's try it. Act as a tutor. That's the role. Explain compound interest to a 15-year-old. That's the task and context. Present the explanation in 5 bullet points. That's the format. Using a structure like this removes the guesswork and tells the AI exactly how to deliver the information. Remember, writing prompts is an iterative process. It's a conversation. Don't be afraid to refine your request. After you get a response, ask the AI to make it clearer, make it shorter, or add more detail on this specific point. Keep tweaking until it's perfect. At the end of the day, AI is just a tool, and it's only as smart as the prompts you give it. So start small, tweak your requests often, and you'll unlock so much more value. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to Finsible for more weekly insights on AI, investing, and smart money strategies. Thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Always double-check and verify information from AI before using it for any important decisions.